Hello kids, this is the continuation video of Standard 5 Mathematics Fraction part number 6. In this part, we will study about multiplication. Now, first we will study about fraction by a whole number. Means multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Here, what we used to do, fraction into whole number, multiplication of a whole number is equals to numerator of the fraction multiplied by the whole number divided by the denominator of the fraction. After being done the multiplication, if the result is in lowest term, then we will leave it as a result. If not in lowest term, then simplify into lowest term. That we had already learned. If is in improper fraction, then we have to change it in mixed fraction. Let us understand by using examples. Fraction 3 by 5 multiplied by a whole number 6. Numerator and the whole number being multiplied, 3 into 6 by 5, 18 by 5. That is an improper fraction. So, we'll convert it into mixed fraction. 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. You have to divide 18 by 5. That also we had already done to conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Move on to the next example of 15 into 18 by 32. We'll divide as the common factor is there for 2 9 is 18 and 2 16 is 32. Multiply 15 into 9, 135 by 16. Then as it is in improper fraction, we'll find the mixed fraction. Second thing, fraction by a fraction. Multiplication of fraction by a fraction or mixed fraction. Mixed fraction into fraction and fraction with a fraction. Mixed fraction, if there, we convert it into improper fraction. Then we will do the multiplication of numerator into numerator. 77 into 1 is 77. 15 into 5 is 75. As again comes in improper fraction, we'll convert it into mixed fraction. Now move on to fraction with fraction. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 9 into 12 is 108. We will leave it as it is a proper fraction. So 1 by 108. Next, some more examples we will discuss, like 4 by 15 is a fraction and 10 by 11 is a fraction. Multiplication of 4 into 10, 4 into 10, 15 into 11, we'll write. Then if it can be divided by the same factor, we will divide. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10. Now, no more division can be possible. So, 4 2 is 8, 11 3 is 33. One more example, 24 by 25 into 15 by 16. That is 24 into 15 by 25 into 16. 4 4 is 16, 4 6 is 24. Again, more can be possible. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15. You can divide at a time with 8 2 is 16 and 8 3 is 24. That's your wish. Okay. You can multiply and divide according to you, but denominator cannot be divided by the denominator. Here's a sign of multiplication. Either of the numerator of the either fraction can be divided by either of the denominator. Means this denominator of the second can be divided by the first with the first, or the first with the first denominator will divide the numerator. Means same common factor must be there for both the numerators or the denominators. So 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10. Next here, two mixed fractions are there. We'll multiply and get the 5 6 is 30 plus 3 33 by 6, 11 2 is 22 plus 2 24 by 11. 33 into 24, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. You can, if you want to divide it like 6 4 ja 24, or if you need 2 3 ja 6, 11 11, you can cancel out 11. Then the type how you will divide, but numerator cannot be divided, always remind that, and denominator cannot be divided. You have to divide the either of the denominator with the either of the numerators. Okay, then 3 4 ja 12. Next example, 10 whole 5 7 by 8 2 whole 1 by 24. We'll take again convert it into improper fraction. Then we will divide 3 8 ja 24 and 3 29 ja 87. Then we'll multiply, we'll get the answer. Then you have to convert this one into again mixed fraction. Now one word problem we will do, that the cost of 1 meter of cloth is given, and what is the cost of 5 whole 5 by 9 meter of cloth. Here both are given in mixed fraction, that price also and length also we will convert into the improper fraction. Cost of 1 meter is 25 whole 1 by 5 rupees, that is equals to 126 by 5. So we have to find out from less to more. Always remind that if the less is given, to find out for more things we have to multiply. So 5 9 ja 45 plus 5 50 by 9. So we will multiply the cost of 1 meter with the length of the meter that we have to find out, that is 50 by 9 meter. Now simplification, and we had done before, that we will do, and we will get 140 rupees.